Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So I have a quick little unboxing video that I want to share with you guys. I just got my seasonal surprise box in the mail. This is the Erin Condren seasonal surprise box for winter. I have been obsessed with getting these year after year, season after season, and I think these are just so much fun. I just love surprise boxes. It's just like, it's a surprise and it's fun. And so Erin Condren comes out with different boxes each season, and they're all curated and based around, like, you know, obviously the season and the trends and themes. And there's always a mix of exclusive items that are just specific for this box, and then sneak peeks to new products coming to the website. So I think these are so much fun. They do sell out super fast, so I always try to share on my Instagram stories whenever they're on sale, so that those of you that are interested in this can order it right away. So even though I'm sharing this right now, technically this box is not available, but I want to share it because if this is like something that catches your attention and you're like, oh, I think I might like that, next season, so the next one would be spring, next time once it goes on sale, you guys can order one right away. This sold out actually really fast, because like right after I ordered this, I started seeing people post like, oh my gosh, it's sold out already. So I just had made the cutoff to order this. So anyways, let's go ahead and jump into it. As always, it comes in a beautiful reusable box. The seasonal surprise boxes have like this kind of softer, slippery type of packaging, so it's definitely great to reuse, use as storage around the house, whatever it may be. And yeah, this is not like the normal packaging of Erin Condren products. So let's go ahead and open it and see what we got. The 2019 seasonal or winter seasonal surprise box is here, and the box theme is 2019 reflections and 2020 intentions. So on the back, we'll do a little sneak. Woo! That's what is like in here, but I like looking at that at the end. I like being surprised. So let's just go ahead and open and see what we got. I want to see if I can move this in a way. Wait, let me adjust. Whoops. Okay. There we go. I think that's the best I can do here. We'll open all this. Ooh, the first thing I see is a petite journal, and I love this print. This is so like fun and like funky, like 70s themed. This is a weekly intentions and goals petite planner. In here is intention focus charts, goal planning spreads, weekly and monthly summaries, reflections and project logs, and notes and brainstorm pages, and fun and functional sticker sheets. So let's check this out. So we got the floral here, and the weekly intentions and goals is written right here. So petite journals are awesome to just be used on their own like this, or if you have an on-the-go folio, these fit perfectly in there. So let's just take a little flip through. I love this pattern. It's not very like winter themed in my opinion, but I really like this pattern. It feels very 70s to me. So here's a little like how to use the petite planner. Reflecting on, checking in, letting go. Here's your intentions, goals, brainstorm, and then clarity, intention, focus. So there's all these little prompts that you can do, and then weekly check-ins, monthly wrap-ups. And then here are the stickers. Ooh, these stickers are so stinking cute. I love these stickers. I usually, the quote ones, always my favorite, and then like this sticker I love. Oh, so cute. But yeah, that is the first item in here, and this is, let me look here on this little chart. The Petite Planner Weekly Intention and Goals is a sneak peek, so this will be coming to the Erin Condren website soon if it's not up already. This retails for $14, just like the rest of the Petite Planners. So if you do like this and you weren't able to get the box, don't worry, you will be able to get your hands on this. Oh my goodness, this next one, I'm obsessed with this color already. I love pink blush peachy kind of colors. Oh, so pretty. And this is just so sleek. This is another petite journal. This is a dot grid. There's 80 pages in here. And this petite journal is an exclusive. Although you can get dot grid petite journals on Erin Condren website, but maybe it's just this color that is exclusive, and I'm obsessed with this color. This is also not a very fall type of color, and it doesn't even go with the box. Like, you would think there'd be things more like, I don't know, more similar to the box color, like the theme, I don't know. I was expecting more like wintry tones and wintry colors, but this is like a spring, summer type of color. Same with these flowers. I love them, but that just wasn't what I was expecting. Love a good basic dot grid journal. Who doesn't love this? But like I mentioned, you can get dot grid journals, petite journals from Erin Condren. Those are available for $14. This just happens to be an exclusive, and I think it's just because of the color. Ooh, we've got some little thank you cards, or yeah, this one says thank you, and I love this handwriting. Do you guys see that? Oh, so pretty. It's in this navy color with like gold accent and like gold foiling. This one says always in my heart, and again, I'm obsessed with this calligraphy here. This is so, so pretty, and it has, is that silver or rose gold? Honestly, I can't tell if that's silver or rose gold, but it has some type of metallic foiling. And let me see, these foiled metallic cards, there's 2 of them. This is exclusive just to this box. They retail for $5, but these are like these 2 specific cards you can only get if you got this box. However, there are thank you cards on Erin Condren if you guys are interested, but the like style of these are exclusive to this box. I actually love these, and I do find use in these, especially like during the holidays, so this is perfect. Ooh, we've got some stickers. What is an Erin Condren seasonal surprise box without stickers? So it looks like we've got 2 different sheets here. This one is more decorative. It says ring in the new year, love out loud, good things are coming, keep believing, and then it has all these colorful snowflakes, little stars and hearts. So this fun little decorative sticker sheet. And then we also have this one, which is like more functional. We've got some to-do little boxes here, little checklist, date stickers, important circles, little teardrop ones, 2 really thin strips of washi here, and then we've got some little boxes here. These are like little quotes and things like that, and then these are blank. Let me see what these stickers run for. The sticker sheet duo is an exclusive just to this box. It retails for $5.50, but again, if you want these stickers, you're only able to get it if you ordered this box. So these are exclusive to the box. And I feel like that's pretty normal. The seasonal surprise box, I feel like always comes with sticker sheets, and 90% of the time, I believe they are exclusives to the box. Ooh, we've got a folio, on-the-go folio. So there you go. That's why they gave you so many petite journals, because you could put them right here in the folio. Ooh, this is not normally how they send, oh God, there's me and my double chin. This is not normally how they send their petite journals. They usually put them in a little dust bag. But, oh look, there's a sneak peek. This is how I film any planner related videos. I attach my camera to a tripod and attach it to my computer screen. Yep, there you go. The secrets of how I film. So let me go ahead and open this up so we can stop glancing at my double chin over here. So let me read this. This is the Bling On 2020 On The Go Folio. This is an exclusive to this box. Ouch. Ah. And it's mainly just the style, because you can get on-the-go folios, obviously, from Erin Condren. But it's this charcoal color right here. And then it has gold foiling. It says 2020 and then little stars. Then you got the band, and then you open it up, and here you go. You can slide in 4 different petite journals in here. And there you go. I actually love using an on-the-go folio. I use one for all of my church related things, so I find a lot of use in these. Did I tell you this retails for $20? You can get on-the-go folios from Erin Condren for $20, but this particular design, however, is an exclusive to this box. Next, ooh, we've got a I couldn't decide which one I wanted to look at first. We've got a cover, and this is really pretty. Not my favorite, I have to say. I think the designs they've come out with in the past seasonal surprise box have been like just way more like eye-catching. This is a little basic for me. Even though it has all this intricate like flower design, it's a little on the boring side for me. But it does match this one, I believe. Yeah, these are the same kind of flowers. This is just like the outlining, and it's gold with the black / charcoal background. So that's really the theme, is like black and gold, but then you got pink over here. I don't know, there's a lot of colors here. It just kind of clashes in my opinion. But look, let me show you guys my current cover. This was from the fall seasonal surprise box. I'm still so obsessed with this cover. This is probably one of my favorites that they've come out with. But you see the difference, right? You see what I mean? Like, they usually make them so like beautiful. This was a collab with green, what is it called? Green Wedding Shoes. So this was in collaboration. But normally their covers are just a little more out there. This is a little basic in my opinion. So not my favorite cover, I have to admit. And then lastly, we've got this sparkly pen. Ooh, oh wait, I didn't even tell you about the cover. The cover, interchangeable metallic cover, is an exclusive to this box, and it retails for $13. And lastly, we've got, where is this? The Sparkle Ballpoint Pen. This is another exclusive here to this box. So wow, we've got a ton of exclusives. And let's see, this retails for $14.50. I think this is such a pretty pen. Should we test ride it? Ooh, it's very textured, like chunky textured glitter. Oh, let me take off this little tip. Eek. But just like a basic ballpoint pen. So let's do a little writing test, shall we? I got this notepad from Erin Condren and Sam as a gift, and it says game on with Jack, Jack, and Johnny, and I'm like, that's so sweet. So let's go ahead, I'll just write Jackie and Johnny. Ooh, okay. I enjoy how this writes. Okay, I am a fan. I like this. Here, I'll zoom in closer so you guys can see. We'll write, hello, seasonal surprise box. There you go. I like how this writes. I didn't have high hopes because, I don't know, I feel like I'm typically not the biggest fan of Erin Condren pens. Like, I do like them, but they're never like my go-to or my favorite, and so I just wasn't sure if I would really like this one, but it writes really nicely. Doesn't smear. Well, I mean, it's a ballpoint, but there's a tiny bit, but that's not that big of a deal. But it's very pretty. Okay, I like the pen. I like the pen. Let's zoom out here. I wanna lay these all out. Okay, so there we go. Here is a glance of everything that came in the seasonal surprise box this month. I have to say, this probably wasn't my favorite box that they have come out with. I do think there's some great stuff in here, but nothing that got me overly excited. I think I'm most excited about the dot grid journal because I'm obsessed with this color and I do use dot grid journals. I'm actually pretty excited about the pen. I was surprised. I didn't think I would like it as much as I do, but I do like the pen. And these cards, I know I'll get good use out of these, so I'm excited for those. I like this on-the-go folio, but this cover's not really my particular style, and I'm not a huge fan of the interchangeable cover. The Weekly Intentions Goal Journal looks cool, but I don't know if I would be intentional about using this, to be honest. I don't know. This was not my favorite box. This was kind of a miss for me. But let me know what you guys think. You know, that's the thing about these seasonal surprise box. You never know what you're gonna get. It's truly a surprise, and I think that's the whole fun in it. Sometimes you're gonna love it, sometimes you may not love it, and that's just the way things work sometimes. I'm still going to continue ordering the seasonal surprise box every season because I think they're so much fun, but I have to say this one was not my favorite. Let me know in the comments what you thought of these products and what is your favorite thing from this little batch of goodies. What do you like the most? Let me know in the comments. Oh, and what do you like the least? What's your most favorite in this box and what's your least favorite? I want to know. And I can't wait to read your guys' comments. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!